back to my channel. So today's video is all about review video of two products, Garnier BB cream and Lakme 95cc cream. So I'm going to be make comparison between them. So let's get started. First we have here Garnier Skin Naturals BB cream, that is beauty benefit cream, and it says it has SPF 24 and it protects from UV and UVB rays. So it also says it has vitamin C, almond extract, minerals for brightening. So the best part about the product that it is suitable for all skin types and it is specially designed for Indian skin tone, as it says. So this product is 9 gram for 75 rupees. So this come in a tube packaging, as you guys can see in the video. So here is the main product. So there is no shade name mentioned on the product. So I'm going to blend it with the help of my finger. This doesn't cover very nicely. It doesn't give full coverage. You can use this BB cream on daily basis. This one is best for daily basis. It can simply hide your blemishes. Not fully, but this is best for daily basis, you can see. So this product is come in 3 sizes. So here's the second product, Lakme 95cc complexion care cream, and the shade is 01 beige, and this has SPF 30. This one is also protects from UV rays and it conceals nicely and it smoothens your skin. This is also 9 gram and the price is 99 rupees. So this is also come in a tube packaging. So you can see the shade, it is a little lighter shade, so you can choose accordingly yours. Shade name is bronze, but this one is beige. So this one is on a thicker consistency, you can see. So this can be used on daily basis too, and it can nicely hide your blemishes, marks, so you can see it settle down in your lines. So here I'm going to compare both the creams. On the right side is Garnier BB cream and on the left is Lakme 95cc cream. So you can see the consistency of both the products. So the Lakme one is little thicker than Garnier's, so I'm going to use the brush to blend them. So I'm just trying to blend with the brush. So the Garnier one is little flowy consistency. So here's the final result. I hope that you like the review of both the products. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video. See you. Bye bye.